Ready?
Yeah.
Good afternoon, everybody. Mustafa Driver School. We got lovely Marina. She's really good. This is our 7th lesson. Last lesson we've done a mini roundabout. She's really good. And today we're doing a big roundabout. The first round I'll just prompt her. Then now she wants to go by herself. And if you're learning to drive or just want to improve your skills or want to pass your driving test, and this video is for you. So if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe for more content. Yeah, would you agree?
Yeah.
Awesome. To subscribe. Good. Have you got any questions?
No.
So let's drive on then. Good. Get the car ready, please. So I'll just give you direction, yes? You know where we're going anyway, yeah?
Yeah.
Can you see the sign of roundabout there, yeah?
Yeah.
You see it says Copley there, yeah? Copley on the top?
Yeah.
There you go. We will go ahead, second exit towards Copley, yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you. That.
Good.
10 out of 10. Well done. How do you do now? Which lane you are now?
I need to change that.
Yes, it exactly. Yes. So when you finish with the signal, thank you. And when you get closer to the roundabout, what you need to do again?
Mirror signal.
That's right, exactly. Go for it now. Yeah? Beautiful. And what sort of speed you're gonna approach it?
Slow.
That's better. No more than 15, okay? Good. Is it safe now?
Yeah.
Good, thank you. Good. You wanna count the exit?
1.
Okay, so we're going 3, okay?
2.
And then what you do now? Beautiful, beautiful. That's it.
Yeah.
That's how it should be done. Yeah?
Yeah.
And how do you feel when you deal with a roundabout like that?
Better. But I feel like that time I could have slowed down earlier. Approaching it.
That's right. So what is the benefit if you slow down on that roundabout?
Got more time to think.
Absolutely. Absolutely, yeah. That makes sense?
Yeah.
So we're gonna go back and do it again.
Yeah.
Okay. Good, there you go. And when you finish with the signal, thank you. And then when you get closer, we're gonna go right. What do we need to do now? Yes, that's good. Good. So we're going towards Copley, yes? Exit number 3, okay? Would you like to count it?
1.
Good.
2.
Now? That's good, yes. You deserve a clap in this one. Well done. Good. And how's that?
Good.
Shall we go one more round right, yeah?
Yeah.
Exit number 3, okay?
Yeah.
You know what to do, yeah?
Yeah.
See? That's the roundabout. Now can we go third exit number 3. right side. Okay, so if you signal cancel, what you need to do? How's that?
Good.
Well done. There you go. How do you feel about the roundabout now?
Good.
Beautiful. Okay. So now what we're going to do, we will go to the big motoring wheel roundabout. You know which one?
Yeah, the scary one.
Who says scary one?
Ellie.
Ellie.
And me.
And Mia. Or you. And you as well.
Yeah.
Now I head to the second exit, okay?
Yeah.
And on the floor says A121. Okay, so when you get there, yes?
I'm staying.
Yeah.
I stay in this one.
That's right. A121. Look, can you see that A121?
Yeah.
That's it. You follow A121, second exit, okay? So this is your first exit, yeah?
Yeah.
And when it's safe, then when you sit where is the red painted, you see that red painted?
Yeah.
That point, mirror signal left.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, when I'm going straight, you just stay in the
Yeah,
left
you're
one.
going left, but you're going second exit, isn't it now?
Yeah.
Okay? So have a look. Go a bit forward, hold the steering straight. That's good. So don't rely on these people, okay?
Yeah.
So make sure yourself think. Go a bit more forward, go a bit forward. That's better, okay? And when you see, you can accelerate fast, okay?
Yeah. Now?
You could have gone, but it's okay.
Yeah.
So maybe not yet. It's okay. When it's safe, we can go. Yeah, we don't rush. Could we move forward after the motorbike? Maybe after motorbike?
Yeah.
Okay. So you could have gone faster. You have to go really fast, okay?
Yeah.
When you see it, you have to go really fast.
Should I go forwards anything?
No. One, two. Oh, Mercedes coming fast. Go left before, find the movement, and go wait here and there. 1, 2, 3. You can go now. Okay, good. Stay left side. Okay, good. Now signal left and stay here. Stay where you are. Stay where you are. Yes. Yeah. More left, more left, more left, more left, more left. There you go. A121, A121, A121. Fast. Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's go one more round. Yeah?
Yeah.
1, 2, 1. Right side. Yes. speed? Good, good. Are we looking? Safe?
Yeah.
Good, go for it then. Good. Would you like to count the exit?
Okay, 1.
Good. Beautiful. Continue, continue. Good, good, good. A1, yeah?
2.
Which one is 2? This is 2, yes?
Yeah.
What do you need to do now?
Go to
Yes.
this
Beautiful.
one.
Yes. Beautiful. There you go. Job done.
Yeah.
And how's that now?
Fine.
Good. How you feel now?
Good.
Sing it along. Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it still scary?
No.
So at the beginning of the lesson, you scale yourself 5, and you said you want to achieve 10 on the big roundabout. What are you now?
Like 9.
Right, good.
Yeah.
So what do you need to do to get 10?
Like 1 more time.
So make sure we don't go over 40, okay? So we're gonna be taking exit number 3 to the right hand side, yeah? Good. You know which direction we're going, yeah?
Yeah.
Good.
I'm gonna just count.
Good. So, which one is first one?
There.
That's
1,
good.
2,
That's it. Yeah.
3.
That's good. Good luck. We're going to move forward. Move forward. Okay? We'll move forward to see. Good. Safe now?
Yeah.
Go for it. Good. Okay. Would you like to count it?
Yeah.
Good.
1.
Good.
2.
And then now? That's it. That's it.
3.
There you go. How's it now?
Good.
There you go. Make sense now?
Yeah.
Yeah? Confident now?
Yeah.
Is it still scary or not?
No.